Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix night owl camera night vision not working. Okay. So guys, if you are facing this issue, don't worry, we are going to solve this issue by each step. First of all, check the setting. Access the camera setting. Find the setting menu on your own camera, which is typically located within the video's setting or dedicated night vision section. Check the night vision switch position. Look for the switch or toggle level as in night vision or infrared night vision and ensure it is in on or always on position. Okay, adjust the setting as needed. If the switch is on in the off or auto position, change it to on enable night vision at all times. Okay, then disconnect the camera, taking the battery out and re-sync the camera is possible solution to fix night vision issue on all camera. This method can help reset the camera setting and resolve any software related problem that may be causing the night vision malfunction. Okay. Then factory reset the night owl. To perform the factory reset, you would need to press and hold down the factory reset button on the back of the camera for about 10 seconds. And then after this, slide the power button on position and engage it. This process will reset the camera to its factory setting. Then prevent the reflection and interference. Avoid reflection. Ensure that there are no surface like glass or other object in the camera view that can cause a reflection and interfere with night vision. Address light pollution. Be mindful of the light pollution from the external source that can create white area of the screen and affect the camera night vision performance. Okay. And deal with the spider web and dust. Regularly check the camera for spider webs, dust or particles that can impact the night vision clarity. Clean the camera lens and surrounding area to prevent this issue. So this is the all step. Thanks guys.